crying? I mean Nneka. Why is she crying?
You're asking me? How would I know?
I think I know what is going on. Oh, really? I think I know what is actually happening.
What are you talking about?
I overheard you guys, and I saw her crying as well.
Wow.
What are you little witches planning this time around? Amara.
Ma,
Shut your mouth. Address me as queen.
I'm sorry, my queen.
And you? Why are you still seated?
Ma. Sorry, ma. Queen.
Don't even do this again.
Sorry, ma. Queen, sorry.
Where is Nneka?
She's outside, my queen.
Okay. Uloma, I want you to accompany me to my village tonight. We'll be back tomorrow. You heard me. Donbass.
There's no name I haven't received in this palace.
Oh. Hey! I have suffered. I have suffered.
Uroma, RIP in advance. That means rest in peace in advance. You will be accompanying the future queen to her village. That will be a very long journey. In fact, we are all proud of you. You are the chosen one. Please take heart, eh? As you go, so shall you come back in peace. We love you so much and we are proud of you. You are the chosen one. Oh. Uroma.
He seems a hard nut to crack this time around. Igwe Odumod. He has refused to give in to his downfall. Sex.
I'm gradually losing my patience. What do we do, mother?
Leave that to me. Sooner or later, he must lay with me. And we strip him of his powers. And gradually, we shall take over this kingdom. Your mother becomes the only queen of this land. And you, my angel, becomes the only princess of Obodoku kingdom.
exactly is your mission in this palace? What do you want here?
Your mother, the queen of this kingdom, is my very good friend. A close one at that. You have problem with that?
Isn't it quite glaring that you've got an ulterior motive? But whatever it is, I promise you something. We will definitely find out.
And what are you talking about, sweetheart?
I am not your sweetheart. I am not. Excuse me.
She came to take over the balance. She's on a mission. She has interior motive. She's not what you thought she is. She's unfriendly friend.
You think that woman is evil?
Exactly, sis. Yes. I mean, I could feel it right here. There's something not so right about her. The other night, I saw her standing in the sitting room in the middle of the night with our father. I don't know. You understand now?
With Dad?
With Dad.
What are you insinuating?
Well, I am not so sure, but when I tell you that her presence speaks evil, then I'm right. She is evil personified. I mean, there is something about her aura. You know, it throws me off balance. It irritates and disgusts me. Listen, that woman is nothing good. Trust me when I say that.
You could be right. Because lately I've been waking up from bed feeling so weak. I actually feel there is something weird going on in this palace. But on a second thought, you know, boredom could actually make us overthink. You know, that restricted our movements, no going out, no coming in. Think about it. But this is the reason we must actualize our plan, whether Dad likes it or not.
Yeah. Yeah.
Silence you, take am easy. You wahala too much, yo. Silence slayer, you too like better thing, but you're broken na trouble for this balance. Some like am like that, they sweet them for head, but you dey give trouble, sha. Wahala done day, trouble don't wake up. Ball and silence, every lady, they want to have taste of day. Paul and Silas, you can call him Paul Walker, Chief Chef. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. And somebody in the palace, in this palace. And somebody in the palace. Silas the Slayer, Paul and Silas, where they like slave with you. You wahala too much, you wahala too much. And somebody in the palace. And somebody in the palace. For security reasons, in the country, everybody must be inside, not outside. Anything you want is inside this palace. You can take your Snapchat, you can swim if you wish. It's for your safety. The king has spoken.
I'm seriously not happy with the fact that I shouldn't be passing the night in your room. For goodness sake, I'm your fiancé. We're getting married soon.
Oh, babe, you shouldn't put the blame on me. You should put the blame on the tradition. Yeah, the tradition. And of course you know this is a palace. Like a royal home. Wait. Babe. Are you trying to tell me that you don't trust me? Huh? Are you like you don't trust me?
Of course I trust you. I just want you to be careful of the maidens around here.
Yeah, babe, listen. Okay, listen. I'm gonna be careful, alright? I'm not gonna mess up with any maiden. You see this big thing right here? It's for you and for you alone.
Promise.
I promise. Come on. Alright.
You think you're smart in all you do. This is inhuman. It's not good at all. This has fallen apart. No more rules and respect. Royal blood has mixed with commoner blood. What is happening now? This is strange. Everybody is a game player. Everybody is a game player. This is not right at all. This is unfair. This is not right at all. This is unfair. She came to take over the palace. She's on a mission. She has interior motives. She's not what you thought she is. She's a friendly friend. She's clothed with many colors. Many colors. What unfriendly friend. A wolf in sheep clothing. This is not right at all. This is unfair. This is not right at all. This is unfair.
What's going on here?
How did I get in here?
Baby, you're still very strong and sweet. You nearly killed me last night. I never knew a few doses of Chinese pure can actually make you strong like this.
So you drugged me? What for? Just to have sex with me? Come on, Rose. Is this the way you want to pay us back for harboring you in this royal house? My wife is your best friend. You know it. Now I ask you, what do you want?
I want you. I want more of you. I need you. Let's do it again.
is not good at all. This has fallen apart. No more rules and respect. Royal blood has mixed with commoners' blood. What is happening now? This is strange. Everybody is a game player. Everybody is a game player. This is not right at all. This is unfair. This is not right at all. This is unfair. She came to take over the palace. She's on a mission. She has interior motives. She's not what you thought she is. She's a friendly friend. She's clothed with many colors, many colors. What unfriendly friend? A wolf in sheep clothing. This is not right at all. This is unfair. This is not right at all. This is unfair.
Another dream. Another dream? The palace.
What about the palace?
I saw your sister in my dream. Uloma. She died in the palace.
Sister. Sister. Are you sure you're okay? Sure you're fine?
I'm fine. Why are you checking my eyes and looking at my stomach like my grandma used to do?
Are you sure you're okay?
I'm fine.
Some rest? No,
Please.
No, listen.
Come on, let me help you.
I'm fine. I just have a little hangover, just a little, but I'm okay though. I just feel like sleeping a little bit.
You need to go to your room to get some rest.
Yeah, my room. I know I need to get some sleep. I just have a little hangover. But wait, is that what you want? Are you sure you want me to go to my room?
Yeah.
I said I had fluid. I used the tissue. Babe, come on, stop being psychopathic. What's going on?
I am asking you for the last time. Who used this tissue? Who is the lady that used this tissue and forgot to flush it? This is not about being a psycho.
Babe, listen. You just have to calm down. Alright, just calm down. Okay? Okay, fine. Alright. I had fluid. I used the tissue and forgot to trash it. Yeah, I forgot to flush it. That's all. It's not like I'm lying to you.
You're telling lies.
No, I'm not. Babe, I'm not telling you lies. I'm serious. I had fluid. I used the tissue and forgot to trash it. That was it all. Nothing. I'm serious.
You're lying to me and you know.
I'm not lying to you. I had fluid. I had to use the tissue.
I clearly understand what this means. And the person who used this thing is standing right in front of me, boldly looking at me. But the gods punished this person by taking away her sense of reasoning. She actually forgot to flush it. She actually forgot to flush it after use. Who cleaned my fiancé's room while I was away? I said, who cleaned my fiancé's room while I was away? Someone flaunted my orders. Someone among you low-life bitches used this tissue and forgot to flush it. You. I am going to get that bitch very, very soon. Now you get her.
That peacock is so proud of herself. Oh, Mbeke forming Queen Natasha.
Someone they've not even married.
Rubbish. Wait, hold on.
I clearly understand the meaning of this.
Aww.
Who among you girls use this without flushing?
Aww.
The God punished that person by removing a sense of reason. That she didn't even remember to flush it. Now I ask again. Who cleaned the princess' room while I was away?
Who? Madam, you have warned us never to enter the princess' room again. Control.
You?
No, Your Royal Highness.
You, not me. You, it's it.
Madam, it's not me.
You?
Yes!
The journey. The journey of life. Sometimes its destination can be very unpredictable. What we seek day and night, we find at odd places.
You speak in parables.
My princess, I am not worthy to be with you. My past is...
The past, you say? Come on. I'm aware of all you did in this palace. But then, everyone has got a past. Sometimes, it turns out good. Sometimes, it turns out bad. While some other times, it turns out ugly. But no one is above mistakes. No one is perfect. Let the past be in the past. Here we are today, planning for tomorrow. I'm glad we found love in each other. I love you, Paul. I'm ready to stand by you till forever and one. I love you, Paul.
Did you say you knew about everything I did in the palace?
Yes.
You did?
But it's nothing.
I love you too.
Oh, I love you more.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. So you knew about my sister and Chef Paul all this while?
My princess, I know everything and even more. Now, when I do things, I go just do like say maybe I know see that if I don't want to put my ear down. I hear everything, I see everything. Not where they go for this palace, so I don't know.
Wow.
You can even call me the information minister. Me?
God. Wow, I'm
I connect
surprised.
guys. No,
I'm
you need to
surprised.
shock you. Eh? By the way, my princess, how your own be? What did they really this up? No, I want me you augment me, put me on the line, let me know what they play because I don't know how you will come from your high horse. Look the statues, the difference is clear. It is very, very obvious. Eh? You not like this, me not like this. Why you they feel me? How the connection till it go? Nothing got me. The only property I get now is the blue curtain and the bedsheet. Now what did this?
Babe, don't talk like that. Don't belittle yourself. Listen, I don't look down on anybody.
Yeah.
And you've got great sense of humor.
Me
You're
now.
so sweet, you're funny, you're fun to be with. You're such an amazing soul. Right, you know, just like what you're doing right now.
No, my ribs now. Nobody don't tell me. Say, so I sweet.
You are sweet, babes.
Don't say I sweet. So I sweet.
You see what I'm saying? I'm even talking and you're still, you know, making me laugh.
I don't know, say I sweet.
You are funny, extremely hilarious.
See the way you talk to me now, if I get my way, I swear I will run with you. I just won't carry you wrong. Maybe we elope. Maybe we run far away. Far away, far. May water carry us go. We just go one island, stay near water. We could just be
What's that?
No, not that. Just a play drum.
Okay.
Yeah.
You love to play drum.
I like to play drum. I like to play.
You see what I'm saying? You are such a hilarious guy.
Thank you so
I like
much.
you so much. Oh my gosh.
My princess.
Yay. You know what? I want you to do something for me.
Tell me.
I want you to massage me.
Massage?
But my feet.
Anywhere. Anywhere. Remember I told you I'm a farmer.
Don't remind me of ugly past. Again and again I ask, what do you want, Rose?
I am here to take over this kingdom.
is responsible?
I don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know? Who have you been seeing in this palace?
Are you going to speak up now? Speak up! Speak!
Izu and the prince.
The prince?
The prince?
You say what? What did you say again?
I'm pregnant.
Crazy. Now listen. The next time you ever in your life try this nonsense with me, I'll skin you alive. Did you hear me? Now get out. Get out! Get out! Get out. Get the fuck out. Pregnant my foot. Who got you pregnant? Shut yourself up.
You think it's right the way you behave. You think it's right the way you behave. Oh my dear, my dear. Oh my dear, my dear. You think it's right the way you behave. You think it's right the way you behave. Oh my dear, oh my dear. Oh my dear, oh my dear. Oh my dear, oh my dear.
Yeah, have you people constituted your campaign council? Well, I am not supposed to be saying all this because I'm not a politician. As a traditional ruler, we offer our advice from the background, yeah. What of His Excellency? Has he returned to the country? No. Oh, very good. Very timely. He has signed the quotations? Oh, that's wonderful. Very wonderful. Oh, yes. Let me get back to you, please. Sit. I said sit down. Young lady, you said there is something important you want to discuss with the king. I'm all ears. Go ahead and talk.
You think you're smart.
When I tell you, I know why my mother gave me back in a Bible state. People say I don't know how to speak English, but it's not my problem. Just look at it. Let me teach you. Look, I thank my goodness that my mother. Look at, see, if you fall inside this place, if I don't use you to cook fisherman soup, say that my name is not okay. This nonsense you are doing, I'm just laughing at you. Immediately you enter, my God will turn you into fish, and then I will use you. I am very usable now. Once I say anything useful, I use it. But I don't know. I thank my goodness that when my mother got my pregnancy inside the belly, she took me to Akwa Ibom State. That is where I got my energy from. If it is fufu, I have so pan fufu with this my hand that my hand is as strong as Sorumora. That is why, and they gave me a thing. Atama, Aritan, even fisherman soup. You cannot compete with me. Give me this thing, let me teach you how to eat. That is why when they say Akwa Ibom women, Caravan women, we know how to keep men. They say we used to do nothing. No, we know how to do our thing. And
you're talking too much already.
You see the way I'm teaching you this thing. I don't want you to forget this tactic. So, Mama saying, because if you forget it, you will not go far in this Europe. Look at this Europe, you will not go far. Mama saying,
didn't you girls see me here?
Yeah, Mara. Why will you say that now? Mara, why will you say that when you are not invincible? We see you now.
She wants us to carry her on her head.
How can you carry her now when you are not a wheelbarrow? Don't say that.
Were you joking or something? Do you realize you're talking to the next queen of this kingdom?
Madam, leave that thing now. I see you cannot threaten us with all this kind of little talk now. You know what we have suffered in this palace? Our shock have been absorbed right now. No matter what you bring, it cannot enter our cellular membrane. We are used to it.
My foot.
Don't spoil your shoe. If you spoil your shoe, there's no replacement. You know this palace is unlocked there.
Oh yeah, you don't do now. Give me.
I cannot give you anything. Let me enjoy my office. But before you do me handing over, taking over, that's fly over. I
don't have time for you to today. Has any of you seen my Prince Charming today?
Madam, I did not come into this palace with anything that has to do with jam. Talk less of you. Did you bring any you into this palace? Madam, don't go you. Don't put me into trouble. My hands are clean.
Oh my God, you are so dumb!
No, madam, she's not dumb.
Madam, how can you look a full-grown woman like me again and you call me a dog? Madam, a door is an open place where anybody that comes in, comes in, that's open. Madam, I'm not a public space, I'm not a public figure that anybody can just come in and use.
You know what? You will be the first person to leave this palace the moment I become the queen of this kingdom. Nonsense. Fool!
What is my problem? Come, my friend, keep quiet. You tell me I am leaving this palace or kingdom. It's not my problem. As long as I carry my Cyrus and I sing, we say, Cyrus, we go, Cyrus.
I'm not ready to follow
the Holy Ghost came down. Cyrus, okay, we sang. Cyrus, okay, we and Cyrus. I am sure.
Sometimes I want
my sister, I don't want to hear what you are saying right now. It is Cyrus that I have in my memory membrane. It's in my cell.
I need you to tell me. Please tell me nothing but the truth. What exactly do you have with the maidens in this palace?
Me? Prince Desmond? The next king of this kingdom? Having something to do with the maidens? Oh, come on, babe. How can you say that? How can you bring me so low? Like, how can you even say that? That me, the next king of this kingdom, have something to do with the maidens? Come on, no, babe. I can't do that. It's not possible. I don't have anything to do with them. They're not my level. They're not my class. Don't say that. Give me some credit.
This month, are you aware that the maidens in this palace are beginning to disrespect me?
Disrespect you? Why? I mean, who does that? No, babe. I need to know who insulted you.
It happened just now. One of the maidens, that girl, what's her name? Oge.
Oge insulted you?
Yes.
That clown?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
The Calabar girl, she just insulted me right now.
She insulted you?
Yes. You needed to see the way
Babe, it's okay. Just calm down. I will handle this. Alright?
No, you don't.
You know me, babe. Just calm down. Babe, you need to calm down. No, don't worry.
No!
I'll settle this matter.
No, you don't need to tell me to calm down. I need to know what's going on. Why are they insulting
me? Nothing is going on. Come on. I don't have anything to do with it.
Why are they beginning to disrespect me?
Babe, it's alright. I'll take a look. Just calm down. It's alright. Just don't worry. I will settle it.
Desmond!
It's alright. I don't have anything to do with them. You have to believe me.
Because I don't know.
Come. Babe, I can't do such. I'm the prince, the next king of this kingdom. I can't stoop too low. Right?
Are you sure you don't have anything to do with them? Oh, please.
Smoke up, babe.
I've told you to stop smoking. Stop it. Stop. You will remain here till nightfall. Nonsense.
See me in my room.
Nsiro, Nsube, what's your business?
I was just asking what he said now.
Silas! Silas! My king. You were inside here and you heard me coming.
So, like, I was just trying to manage myself.
What's the meaning of this?
Jesus. I'm so sorry, my king.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
You sure you're okay?
I'm okay, sir.
Hey, you complained about the leaking roof, so...
No, it has stopped, too. Miraculously, yes, the leaking just ceased.
That's okay.
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, my king, I'm fine.
So it's no longer leaking?
No, it's not.
Things if it change overnight, but if you don't take precaution, it goes to buy things for you. Okay, maybe we'll look if you wise, voila. If you know wise, voila. You know the fix now. Everything where they happen under your nose. If you get money, voila. If you don't get it, voila. You know the fix control. Everything where they happen under your nose. Look at it, I will leave it. I can't do delicate matters are better handled with great tactics. You want them all and the carefulness so you can achieve your desired result. Things if it change overnight, but if you don't take precaution, it goes to buy things for you. Okay, maybe we'll give
Follow me.
if you wise, voila. If you know wise, voila. You know the fix now. Everything where they happen under your nose.
Follow me.
If you get money, voila. If you don't get it, voila. You know the fix control. Everything where they happen under your nose. Now from where you see, now there you go know. Now from what you hear, now there.
Hi. Listen, my name is Paul. I am the chief cook in this palace. If you cooperate with me, I'll feed you very well. And why are you always alone? You know you're a pretty girl.
Paul!
And
what did they do?
excuse me?
I said, they do. Excuse me. Come, show.
Mr. Silas, can I help you?
Show.
Yes.
What did they do with this girl?
Excuse me?
I said, what did they do with this girl?
I was just trying to interview her.
A lie. You won't dog this girl.
Dog, what do you mean?
But I put them to you, say, if you dog this girl, you no go survive her.
Listen to me. You're not my father. I can't take instructions from you.
What did they worry you?
I can only take instructions from the king.
Listen to me. I don't confirm saying that this girl I see for my dream. There's something spiritual about this girl. Like you won't die.
What are you talking about?
What you know they talk about?
No, this is a different girl.
No, not she.
No, she's not the one.
The girl attitude, that there's something about this girl that she I see for my dream.
Excuse me? What do you mean?
I didn't tell you go there. Say,
No, listen to me. Mr. Silas, I can't take instructions from you. I only take instructions from the king.